What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to CheeHoo Garage. My name is Kikes. Today I got this Escalade cluster that we're gonna be putting in the 2000 Silverado. Take a look. Haven't seen her in a while. Still kicking. Still not painted, but let's not drag this out. So it's pretty easy to change. You know, turn the key on, foot on the brake. Oh, okay. Foot on the brake. Put shift down. Help out your whatever stereo bezel. My dash is broken, so pieces of the dash want to come off too, but it's okay. Right? Pull this thing out. Now there's 4 bolts in here, 7 millimeters. So I got my foot on the brake, actually, but I do got the tires chucked because we're on a slope. So got my 7 mil. Where the fuck is my 7 mil? I don't got my 7 mil. Now I got the 7 mil. Try not to drop these screws. Fuck. The goddamn socket at. Fuck, man. Yeah. Try not to drop the screw. Get the 4 7 mils out. And look, this thing just pops out. Okay. Unplug. That's it. It's a new Escalade one. It's a thumbnail. No. It's just a plug and play, guys. Can't get any simpler than that. Maybe I should have put it in this way. Yeah. Like I said, just a plug and play, guys. Can't get any simpler than that. Angle. Can you see my hazards on? God damn it. Can you see my hazards on? Can you see my hazards? What they look like? See how they're white? I forgot to tell you, this ain't no ordinary Escalade cluster. This baby been souped up by your boy Joey's speedometer. I'll put a link in the description, but I'll put all this stuff back, and then I haven't seen what this looks like with the lights on yet, so I'll wait till it gets dark and we'll turn it on and we can both see it for the first time. Stay tuned. God damn it, I dropped the screw. So I know it's been a while, guys, but I have been working on some stuff. Here's my seats. Look at that. I got some new seats. I'll post a better picture right here. Got everything wrapped to match. Even the middle jump seat. I even bought a new carpet so that when we do swap out the seats, we got a new carpet to go with it. But yeah, I'm just waiting for a paint job, like we said before. I think this time it's really gonna happen. My friend said pretty soon. He said it. Yeah, my painter said he'll get to it soon. It's been about 3 years. October will be 4 years since I asked him to paint my truck, but he said he's gonna get to it, so you know, that'll be fun, and I can start making more videos. But anyways, let's see. Oh, so here's the contact info for Joey's speedometer. Right there, Joey's speedometer on Facebook. Go check them out if you want a custom cluster. And let's wait till it gets dark so you can see what mine looks like. And don't copy. Nah, it doesn't matter because I copied somebody else. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, it's nighttime now. You ready for the big reveal? Here we go. Yo! Got that, like, it's like a kind of purple or a pink and blue. Got that Miami vibe going on. Sick. I get the, and then the Prindle and the mileage is white. I had them change the mileage on this one, and then the display center, nothing's on now, but that's white too. But this looks sick. And I'm pretty sure that the left arrow's blinkers on because I got something going on with my tail lights. Yeah, one of my tail lights is. Well, we can fix that later. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like what you see, don't forget, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you know every time we post a new video. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, guys, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.